Yo, good day everyone. At the moment we are here in Goulburn, kind of a shopping center, not shopping center, mostly groceries and shop. The time now is exactly 7 o'clock. As you can hear the bell. Yeah, 7 o'clock, but yeah, shops and restaurants, they are still not open. Even the grocery is still closed. When I left, Inigo was sleeping. I prepared myself. I get out of the room, and yeah, outside I was walking and I realized I don't have my phone. And I come back very quiet, not to be noticed by Inigo. Yeah, and when picking up my phone, Inigo said, Robbie, just walk around first. I was not answering so that he's not going to, his mind to keep on sleeping. I believe the convenience store, yeah, has coffee, but yeah, I prefer to be in the coffee shop. And if you remember last time I was here actually, yeah, last winter, I actually stay here for like a day. I mean, I stay here overnight at the car park. Yeah. And I met some people, actually Filipino. I have been awake since 5 o'clock. And it means that I am on my phone since 5 o'clock until before 7 o'clock. And that's why I decided I am going out, even if Inigo is still sleeping. This Astor Hotel, and yeah, I can see the coffee shop over there open already. This is what I'm having now. It's a banana bread and a cappuccino. Yeah, and this is a beautiful restaurant. Yeah. I need to just bought this donut.
Yeah, I just bought it. I just saw it in Google. Freshly made donuts. Chocolate, vanilla glaze, caramel, and strawberry bonbons. Ito yung style ng donuts sa cones. Yung sa cones. Ano tingin ka naman dito?
Korean bakery yung pinamit niya.
How was it, Robbie?
Sweet.
It's like a cake batter. Hi Pastor, here we are at Budderoo. Shout out to Pastor and family. Hope you are always safe. God bless.
And this is how it is here. Yeah, parts of Budderoo National Park. Wow, look at that, it's all green. Yeah, but there's looks like a little mist or kind of blur. Wow, how beautiful is it here. Amazing, kind of golf course, but a very big golf course. No, it's Jabra. It says here, Jabra Lookout, Budderoo National Park. We are now here actually at the Minamura Rainforest here at the Budderoo National Park. We are going to see kind of falls and something else. I don't know exactly because I'm letting Inigo decide for everything. Inigo forgot his sunglasses, so he's coming back now. The car park is actually at the third level, like the higher side of the mountain. There is this Lyrebird loop. Yeah, basically you get inside. This is the entrance of the loop, kind of rainforest area. This also has souvenir shops, but this is actually the entrance.
Makati to.
I don't know if you can see, but there is a lyrebird at the moment. Very nice. It's not very often to see a lyrebird. Yeah, the last time I saw lyrebird was in Ginolan Cave. Yeah, but they walk very fast. They are scared of people. And that's the second time. I've seen two in here. For sure there are more. Yeah, because the name of this walking track is actually Lyrebird walking track. This hike is actually a little difficult. Yeah, it may be like this, but steep. Yeah, if you are an old person, not active, or if you are in a wheelchair, this will be a little difficult, but possible. I actually saw along the way, yeah, family, a stroller, and husband and wife. And you know, this one is very common in the Philippines. We called it anahaw. We are actually using it in many different purposes, like an umbrella, and also used to tie thing. Yeah, hopefully all this is going down. Yeah, because climbing up here is really tiring. Inigo really prepared for this hike. Yeah, he prepared for the rain, but yeah, there's no rain. I'm just wearing this, a regular shirt. And the thing you do and never realized. So I went to Georgia and California, anywhere I could run. I've been to, wow, lots of fruits sprouting everywhere. Nice. It is going up again, and it's actually slippery. The good thing is my shoes is a good shoes, my working shoes. Yeah, this is the one from Kmart with all this moss. Slippery. Oh, look at that. Because Australia doesn't have much rain, that's why this falls is waterless. This is originally a falls, but because we don't have enough rain in Australia, it's waterless falls. But it's true. But on the other side, lots of water falls. And from here I can actually see a lot of people. There's two guys over there just walking, another three guys over there, yeah, just looking down there, and Inigo. Yeah. And this is the actual falls. That is true.
Abigay mo ako, Robbie.
Oo.
Bakit?
Para makakit ka ng solo. Para maging independent ka sa lahat ng bagay. Kailangan mo nga nito isang
Salamat sa pagtulong.
coming from the actual poles, there is actually the connection going down there. Yeah, it's very deep. Yeah, I don't know if there is a way to go down there. Probably there is, but just for professional. Oh, actually there is another way here, and this is probably the loop one. Yeah, so yeah, it's going to be a different way, which is nice. And then here there is hanging bridge. Yeah, I mentioned that when I was in the Philippines, when I was young, we always cross in the hanging bridge like this. Whoa, beautiful. Wow, nice. It's actually not allowed to swim here. Unfortunately, this is the end of the track. Yeah, because it is closed. Look at this. No entry. It has been like this for a long time because you see the accumulation of dry leaves. And we are now here. And do you know that the entrance of that hike is this? Yeah, you need to go inside of this store. They are selling different souvenirs. Yeah, and this is also the exit.